So I'm here, no? Again, I'm here with the RC, no? My cousin, first degree cousin. So, mo gini sa yanti sa Electronic Millennium, no? Again, to the people, no? Please help me, yeah? So here, again, our incomes. Again, from the Freedom. There you are, no? They prepared na nilang check, no? For the December. Again, so here, November earnings. Again, thanks, yeah? So here for the YouTube income, as for today, is $20.78. And for the Google is 17.35. So here from the Zoom in the TV. There. And then, so the problem is in here. So here, again, igunani ni siya by which CRC na kung pakuno, no? By which na asset person share. So here from YouTube, Google, Freedom, from section Zoom in the TV, Pix and YT. Gamers by which February, all the 7 website no nga maabot na ilang payment by which monthly and lifetime. Again, thanks God, no? So here, ato nang gihimo ang ato ang form, no, for the income statements here. So ingon ni siya monthly income or earning statement. 7 website paid as monthly and lifetime. Hearts Pure Care, no? 11/25/14, so their month. Then sign contract, share, then mode of payment, start receive, no? By which lagi 2 checks karon sa Freedom mo na to ma-receive because of the PayPal problem, yeah? So I'm here with my cousin, no, RC. So again, there are gid talang payment, no?
Sir, your RTD, what's your mobile address? Mobile number?
0928 29 28 007. Yeah. I'm here my cousin, no? Mo ni siya. Ay tuwidi, no? Mo niya kung kwan. Consultant. So here.
No matching mobile number found. Okay na yung number?